IS300 manual swap day, motherfuckers. Alright, I just got to the shop. I'm waiting for the 3 other motherfuckers that are coming to do the swap with me, help film and shit. So let's see who pulls up first. First motherfucker here. Look at that guy.
It's nappy time, motherfucker.
Damn. First here.
What?
You the first here.
Why?
This motherfucker asked me why he's the first here. Can you believe that? Look at that guy. Oh!
Just got off the phone with my mama.
She dying?
So, we got trannies here.
You like doing trannies? So this one we got tranny, clutch, line, flywheel drive shaft, and mounts and shit. We gonna do a prindle delete or what?
All of them gone.
Word up. Alright, first things first, we better rip out the center console, get this shot out of here. Alright.
Hold that up.
Oh, yeah. Let me get you there. Oh. What'd you say?
Whoa.
Nah, that's hot. That is so hot. Look at this guy. Fashionably late.
Always. What's up, bro?
What out gang? Yeah.
I didn't say nothing. This damn boat. What monkey engineered this shit?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Manual swap more important. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna go buy those.
No. Mods over maintenance.
No. Rotate that, Yanni. I don't need this one. Yeah, you don't. No, Matt, we're going back. There you go. Alright, yeah, go back. Next. Boom. Drive shaft out.
Dude, the tires he gave me though?
Oh shit. We just taking the training lines out and this bitch gonna come out like this guy in a closet. Kind of like, got it over. Alright. Easy money, baby. Baba G. Shout out, I'm Judd. The real goat. Fine. Yep. I just not. I had it underneath.
What do you want me to do?
You.
As you can see here, there's been a little bit of a leak. Clean up on aisle my bum.
Wow. We wiring up the shit so it actually starts right now. Gotta wire up the reverse lights next. Ooh.
Strong grip.
You know, like my fucking vagina.
Good grip strength for activities.
Yeah.
Getting a great shot of your hands.
It's
Just
true.
the hands.
Is that better for you? You wanna get my nuts in there too? Oh, wait a minute, I was kidding. Them things just shriveled up when they're cold. Just kidding. Alright, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna take her up here, we're gonna tuck it up, tape it up.
Yeah, a lot of hands.
But,
oh yeah, that's so cute. Nice and pink.
Thanks,
Oh
sweetheart.
my god.
Yeah, rerun it.
Ooh, flywheels in. Some new motor mounts.
Oh, I need new ball joints. More.
Take it out.
We better put a pan
Take out
in.
the plug.
None of that shit. Get that out of here. No gay shit. This is where we at. Tranny. I got the reverse plug. Have some like quick connect plugs on it. Throw bearing is in. I had to drill a slave bolt, but it's fine. Shifter's off so I can get up and in the hole. Clutch, flywheel on. Wired so I can connect that to the reverse. I cut the wires down here and tucked them up here and wired them together so the car starts. I'm back here. New drive shaft is bolted together, and that's where we at.
What time is it?
It's my big black shaft time. Ready for this? That's what I like. Currently up in the air. Trans is in. Had to do a modification to get the breather in. Oh, it's fine. I didn't want to cut the rest. Hopefully it doesn't fucking rub too much. Motherfucker let me down. That's all we got here at Eurofix International. More bleeding. More bleeding necessary.
Great success.
We better go on a road test, see if this thing's any good.
Oh my goodness, it's on the ground.
Time to go do a burnout. Fresh clutch. Just kidding. Keep driving. Look at that. Downshift. Woo! You look like a drunk lesbian. Your girl later. Oh, what's up?
Plan done.
It's done.
Plan done.
Look at that.
20.
Yeah, all right. Peace out.